Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in previous class we have finished block 17 S2. But in today's class, first we will do the project work, FA3 project work. And the FA3 portion is block 10, 12 and 16. How we have to do the project work? I have already given you project work in the message. Now how we will do that in the activity book? We will see it, okay?
Yes, children, open your activity book. You have to do your project work in your activity book. I have already sent this in the message, right? So you have to open a fresh page in your activity book and write FA3 project work. Write stick picture of one monument of our state and write few lines about it. Okay, children, write this heading. And I told you, you have to refer your reader, ma. See, you can see here Charminar, and you have so many. I have explained you about in our state. I have explained you about so many things about our state monuments like Golconda, Charminar, any one monument of our state. You can stick here, and you have to write few lines about it. Okay, children. This is your FA3 project work. Okay, children, complete it. Okay. Now let's start the class.
Yes, children, I've shown you about project work, how to do FA3 project work. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, now today's class, finding directions S3 using magnetic compass. In previous class, we learned about the direction, where the east, where the north, west and south. Okay, now by using the compass, if the sun is not, in the winter season we can't see the sun, right? So how we will find the directions? By using the magnetic compass. In detail, we will see the picture and do the workbook. Okay, children?
Children, open your reader, page number 108. Let's read the finding direction using the compass. People who travel a lot need to know about directions. People who will travel lot, children, from one place to another place, they need to know about directions. When sailors sails across the ocean or mountaineers climb mountains, they always need to go in the right directions. Sometimes the sun is not there to help them find directions. In the previous class, I have shown you the if the sun is there, how we find the direction. If the sun rises, that is east, and the right side is south, and the back is west, and the left is north. Like that, we will know the direction if sun is there. If sun is not there, example in winter season, how they can find the directions? They can't find the direction because there is no sun. They can't see the sun, so they can't find the directions. How they will find? Let's see. To find direction, we use a special instrument called compass. When the compass is held in the correct position, the needle always points towards the north. Once we know which is north, we can find the other directions easily. See, children, this is compass. This is compass. You can see north, south, east and west. So, this instrument compass will always point out the north. I will show you the picture. See how that will be. See, children. See, this is the compass picture. The point always, if you have a compass, you see, children, always the compass will point the north. In the red color it will be. See, in the red color. It will always point the north only. Like that, they will know now where they are standing. They will focus the compass and they will see which is red line is there, red pointer is there, that is north, and they can find the other directions easily. If the pointer is here north, then this is east, then west and north, and this is south. Then they can find the directions easily and they can reach their destination by using the compass. So this is about the compass. Now let's do the workbook, children. Okay. Yes, children, did everyone open your workbook? Volume 3 workbook, page number 7. We are doing S3 using magnetic compass. Write today's date, children. That is 3-12-2020. Okay, let's read the first question. In which direction does the compass needle point? Which is the opposite direction? And what is left and right? It's very easy, children. I've showed you already. Where does the compass point needle shows? North direction. What is the opposite? South. What is to the right? East. What is to the left? West. So the answer is Very easy, children. I will show you now, okay? See the answer, children. The compass needle always points in north direction. One second, children. North direction. The directions exactly opposite to the south. Now here north means opposite is south. On the left is the west and on the right is the east. Simple answer, okay? Now next one. Look at the picture of the compass and dark part of the arrow is pointing to the north. Mark the other directions on the diagram. Let's do the first one. See, this is the compass, children. Always the dark one, red colors point to north. If it is point, the opposite will be south and the right will be east, left will be west. Now north is this side. North is this side means opposite is south. Right is east. Left is west. Now north is this side. Opposite is south. Right is east. Left is west. Understood, children? This is the compass. They did the directions. With the example of the north, they did all the other direction, 3 direction. If north is there, we can easily find out the other 3 directions. Next, now third one. How is a compass useful? Compass is useful to find directions when the signs of nature such as sun is not visible in the sky. I've already told you, if sun is not visible, who will help us to find the directions? Compass will help us. So compass is useful to find direction when the signs of nature such as sun is not visible in the sky. Then open page number 8 also. Turn the page number 8. We will do S4 also using directions. It's very easy. Write today's date, that is 3/12/2020. Let's do the first bit, okay? First word. Locate and label the places in the box using the clues. They have given the clues. By using the clues, we have to locate the places, children. Okay, these are the cardinal directions. If we move east from your home, we will reach the park. We have to write the park now. This is the house. If we move east, we will find the park, Ipsims. Where is the east side? So, this is the park. P-A-R-K, park. Next one, B1. If we move south from your home, we will reach the school. Where is the south? From home south, Ipsims. Not the park south. Home south. So, this is the south. So, school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. See, if we turn south from the park, we will reach lake. From the park south, Ipsims, we will reach lake. This is the south, L-A-K-E, lake. If we turn west from our home and move to north, we will reach hospital. From the home, we have to move to the north, Ipsims. So, from first we have to turn west. This is the west. From home west, then north. We will reach the hospital. Write the hospital here. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. Okay, children? Second one. Look at the map. It shows the places close to Sindhu's house and the 4 cardinal directions. Read the statements and tick the correct option based on the given map. This is the map. Let's do the questions now. While reading the questions, we have to find which is correct. Okay? A1. The swimming pool lies to the south of the park or hotel. The swimming pool lies to the south of park or hotel. This is the swimming pool. Lies to the south of park or hotel. Park, children. See, hospital is here. This is only south. Where more south is there? So this is only south. From park, south is swimming pool. So answer is park. So tick the park. B1. The ice cream shop lies to the west, east of Sindhu's house. West or east? Which is the correct answer? We will see. This is the Sindhu's house. Where is the ice cream parlor? This side's right. So what is this side? West. So what is the answer? West is the answer. The railway station hospital is in the east of the school. Railway station and the railway station hospital is in the east of the school. Ipsums east, which wherever you see. First we'll see the where is school. Where is the school? School is here. So which is to the east? Hospital or railway station? Which is east here? This side. So this side is railway station. So the railway station or hospital? Railway station. So tick the railway station. Here also tick the west. Railway station. Next, D1. Sindhu has to walk to the north or south to reach the school. Sindhu's house is here. Where she have to go to north or south to reach the school? School is here. So she have to go in the north direction. This is the north. So north is the correct one. So answer is north. Okay children, you do understand? Very nice game, right? Use these directions like this only. From your house you will say, you have to not say left, right, like that. You have to say the north, south, so that easily you can find out which is north, which is east, which is west and south. Okay, let's do the third one. How do direction help us reach a place using a map? How do directions help? Directions, I'll show you the answer children. Okay, direction in a map help us to find the place or tell someone where of look for a place. Where he or she is looking a place, where to look for a place, where he or she is finding the place. The direction in the map will help a person to search a place very easily, to find a place or to tell a place to some other people. It will be very easily to understand people the direction. So this is the answer children. Okay, now let's do the classwork. Everyone open your reader. Children, already we have finished the true of glossary, keywords and for true or false and first and second question. Mark the sixth one as your third question children. How does a compass help us in finding directions? Turn page 108. Third answer. To find directions, we can use a special instrument called compass. When the compass is held in the correct position, the needle always points towards the north. Once we know which is north, we can find other directions easily. So this is the third answer. And you draw the class activity. This is your class activity children. First class activity, keep heading cardinal directions and draw the cardinal directions. And your second class activity is finding directions using the compass. Draw this compass also. Okay children, two class activities are there. One is cardinal directions and second one is the finding direction using compass. Okay, complete your workbook S3 and S4 and complete your classwork children. Okay, thank you.